In this video, we're going to install NVM and Node on Windows. So first of all, taking a look at the NVM, which is the Node Version Manager. As for the Node Version Manager, if you're working on projects with different people, you may need to use different versions. So it's beneficial, it's not necessary, but it's beneficial to install Node via the Node Version Manager. So we will run through the setup of NVM together. So first of all, to prepare, make sure that node.js is not already installed. You can go to your settings and apps and uninstall it if it's there. If the app or the folders are present, delete them as it will cause problems for setting up the NVM. I'll leave a link in the description, and this is via Corey Butler GitHub's account. So from the website, click on the file nvmsetup.exe to download NVM. And once it is downloaded, click on the file to install it. Now open your terminal in VS Code and enter nvm-v, then press enter. This will show you the version number. Okay, now in your terminal, press nvm install latest if you wish to install the latest. So here we'll install and use a particular version. So if you want to install 16.20.2, for example, and then you install it, and then again you run the code nvm use to use it. So that will make it active. And now if you want to test which node versions are installed, then enter node-v. So here is a list of some common NVM commands. Now to uninstall Node and NVM, first of all, uninstall all versions of Node from your computer using nvm uninstall and then version number. And then secondly, to uninstall the NVM, go to your control panel and navigate to uninstall programs and uninstall the program as you would any other program. Okay, leave a comment if you have any further tips, and thanks for watching.